If you're a working professional in any part of the country, you've probably heard of Noida. Once a small sleeping town closer to the national capital, this city now is the hub of corporate investments in northern India. Not only that, in terms of real estate and infrastructure, this city is competing with Gurugram. But what do youngsters think? Are they excited about the developments happening over the last 5 years? Are they happy with the government agencies, nodal agencies, employment prospects, job, growth, money? What about all these factors? My name is Abhinav Trivedi and you're watching Elections with Mint, ladies and gentlemen, where we go down on the streets and talk to youngsters on political economy. Are you happy with the infrastructural and real estate work done in Noida by the government and nodal agencies?
Well, I'm pretty sure about real estate that has boomed a lot. But when Modi actually came into place, that was really not the same situation.
Okay.
We were lacking behind. The rates were really low and back then. But now it has been improved. Infrastructure-wise, they really need to work very hard on the rest of it. There are people who are not very happy with respect to the job aspects. Because I am pretty sure, since I am a recruiter also, tech recruiter, I can see heavy layoffs are happening around and Modi is just promising XYZ job things right now, but actually when I talk about practical thing, they are not.
In terms of jobs, growth, employment, economy, you're not happy?
Not at all. Because AI is coming into picture, and I'm sure down the line around 5 or 10 years, that's the cap I'm taking around. It's going to give us a big hit on on the job perspective.
अच्छा, economically and financially, do you feel good living in Noida? Like, or do you feel कि कहीं बाहर साउथ में जाना चाहिए या बाहर जाना चाहिए?
नहीं आई एम हैप्पी। आई एम एक्चुअली फ्रॉम दिल्ली, बट अभी क्या है यहाँ पे नोएडा में एक सेफ एक लिविंग स्टाइल अच्छा है, लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा है। उसके बाद बेसिकली यहाँ पे स्कूल्स भी अच्छे हैं, तो ऑल ओवर मेरे को अच्छा ही लगा नोएडा।
If there is one development work you need in Noida and you want to appeal to the government, वो क्या होगा?
हॉस्पिटल बहुत यहाँ पे कम है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। हॉस्पिटल के मतलब मैंने जो दिल्ली में सर्विसेज देखी, यहाँ नहीं है
हॉस्पिटल?
हाँ, बड़े बहुत एक दो मिनिमल से हॉस्पिटल हैं जो मेरे को लगता है नाम के, अदरवाइज बिग हॉस्पिटल नहीं है।
How do you find the development work done by the BJP in the last 10 years in Noida? Are you happy with it, not happy with it, stuff like that?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think when it comes to youth and when it comes to employment, things have gone downhill.
Okay.
And I think us being a country which is developing, and we are in the top 5 GDP countries, right?
yes.
So I feel we're not where we should be. We all know that unemployment rate has gone severely high compared to what it was prior. So I don't think that the government is doing a good job with the employment opportunities.
But as far as infrastructure is concerned, roads are concerned, bridges, real estate, development work in the constituency is concerned, are you happy with that?
I would say I am somewhere neutral. Definitely when it comes to roads and connectivity, things have improved. Say for example flyovers or expressways, things like that. So the travel time has reduced.
I think the roads have been better, development with the development of expressways and highways. Because as a kid, whenever I would visit Noida, the only thing I would remember is traffic.
Okay.
So the car isn't moving.
So the infrastructure is better.
It's better. The roads and the railway.
पार्किंग की समस्या दूर होनी चाहिए, पब्लिकली बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा।
और इन्होंने नेसेसरी हरास कर रखा है ये जो ठेकेदारों ने, इस कारण क्लाइंट नहीं आ पाता ऑफिस में, बहुत परेशानी रहती है।
अगर बात करूँ बैंकिंग सेक्टर में भी काफ़ी चेंजेस आए हैं। जैसे रेरा आया, रेरा बहुत अच्छी चीज़ आई। कंज्यूमर का कहीं ना कहीं इंटरेस्ट जो है अब सेफ है।
अच्छा।
पहले क्या था कि डेवलपर पैसा मार लेते थे,
अब नहीं मारते।
अब नहीं मार नहीं सकते, क्योंकि उसका एक जो रेरा में चेंजेस आए हैं या उसके अंदर जो भी रूल्स आए हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं।
अच्छा।
उसमें 70 और 30% का रेशो रहता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं है चीज़ें कि हाँ कुछ सुधार हुआ है।
तो आपके हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट ने पिछले 5 साल में काम किया है?
फाइनेंस में भी काम किया है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में भी काम किया है। उसके अलावा अगर आप हॉस्पिटल देखेंगे उसमें भी काम हुआ है, नए नए एम्स भी आए हैं।
Are you happy with the development work done in the last 5-10 years within the area?
It could be better. I feel like it could be better. Means definitely it has progressed, but being a country like India, means where people outside India, they talk so much about how big India is, how great India is. they are not at.
You think it's more of hype?
Yeah, it's just the hype.
As a youngster, are you happy with the economy job prospect of Noida? Noida as an economy, as far as infrastructure is concerned. I mean, do you plan your future in the city?
I mean, I think the business market and the job prospects for youngsters and all still needs to be a little bit varied so that people do get jobs. Youngsters, in Noida, of course.
जहाँ तक इकोनॉमी की बात है, नौकरी की बात है, रोजगार की बात है, उसके बारे में आप लोगों को क्या मानना है कि मतलब पिछले 5-10 सालों में नौकरियों का विकास हुआ है या फिर नहीं हुआ है?
मोदी जी को करना चाहिए, उस पर कोई इतना खास विकास नहीं हुआ है, बट वो आगे की रणनीति मेरे हिसाब से आगे की 5 साल में उन्हें एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ाना चाहिए और अच्छी से अच्छी फैक्ट्रीज यहाँ आनी चाहिए जिससे कि यहाँ का विकास भी हो। आज की डेट में लगभग 70% लोग बेरोजगार घूम रहे हैं और उन्हें मतलब मेरे हिसाब से रोजगार देना चाहिए।
नौकरियां बहुत कम निकली हैं अब की बार 10 साल में। हाँ, सरकारी नौकरी नहीं है। कितने लोग टीचर बीएड करके घूम रहे हैं जिनको नौकरियां नहीं मिली हैं। अभी जो पुलिस भर्ती परीक्षा जो हुई है वो भी पेपर लीक कर दिए गए हैं।
Infrastructure development and reforms are visible on the street. At least that's what the youngsters feel. But a lot of work still needs to be done. As far as jobs and economy is concerned, youngsters are happy. They expect more work. At least that's the sense which we get from the ground. This is all from this episode of Elections with Mint. I, along with my team, shall see you on the next episode. Till then, bye-bye.